Hello students, good morning to all of you. In last class we have learned what is an equation, what is a linear equation, what is a simple equation, and while solving what are the rules to be followed, what is the solution, what is the transposition. These are all we learned, and few examples also we learned. Examples how to solve simple equations. Okay, what is a linear simple equation? What is a linear equation? First of all, an equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. In that simple equation, what is a simple equation? A linear equation of degree 1 with one variable. Sorry, a linear equation of with one variable is called a simple equation. Okay, a linear equation with one variable is called as a simple equation. Okay, what is the solution? A value which is replaced in the place, which is substituted in the place of a variable and makes LHS and RHS are equal. That value is called solution of the equation or root of the equation we learn. Okay, a simple equation has a unique solution. There exists only one solution in simple equation. Okay, now few more examples. Solve the following equations. The first question is 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Yesterday variable quotient, the other video we learned about a variable quotient one only. Now I am taking a few combinations also I am going to take here. Simple I am going to 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 plus 3 transpose minus 3. 2x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Solve and verify. Verification. Verification means substitute the value which you obtain in the given equation so that whether it makes LHS and RHS are equal or not, you check it. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. And the next one is 7 minus 4x is equal to some 17 today. 7 minus 4x is equal to 17. See here, transpose the values. While transposing, first of all, whatever the constant terms which are added or subtracted to that in that here, addition and subtraction values will transpose to other side. Whatever the constant values which are not combined with the variables, that we transpose. So minus 4x is equal to 17 minus 7. Now minus 4x is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Now first you transpose 4. Yesterday I said plus when you transpose minus, minus when you transpose plus, into division, division into. So here 4x means 4 into x, 4% other side, minus x is equal to 10 by 4, 2 2s are 2 5s are, minus x is equal to 5 by 2. Now here x should be, variable should be positive, variable should be positive and its quotient is 1. Here quotient 1 only, but it is a negative is there. So to make it a positive, we need to multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into minus x is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 2. Minus into minus plus. X is is equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. Now verification I am writing here. Verification. So given equation is 7 minus 4x is equal to 17. Substitute this x value in the place of variable. 7 minus 4 into 7 by 2 is equal to 17. Sorry, minus 5 by 2. Sorry, it is minus 5 by 2. Correct it. Minus with minus plus x. Minus 1 into 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. Correct this one. In hurry, I forgot to write the minus symbol here. Minus 5 by 2. So here minus 5 by 2 substitute here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 7 minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 17. 7 plus minus plus is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 17. See here 7 minus 4x is equal to 17. Minus 4x is equal to 17. 7 transpose to other side minus 7. Minus 4x is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Minus 4x is equal to 10. X is equal to 4 send this side by into value by 10 by 4. 2 5s are 2 2s are. Minus x is equal to 5 by 2. Now to make it positive, I multiplied minus 1 on both sides. Whatever the simplification, either adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing, both sides you have to do those one to make the equation balance. To balance the equation, minus 1 into minus x is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now verification, 7 minus 4 into x is equal to 17. 7 minus 4 into x value is minus 5 by 2 is equal to 17. 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 2 minus plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 17. 7 plus 10 is equal to 17 is equal to 17. Please note down. Say here, the third question, 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to 11. 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to 11. Here two different terms. Here 2 is denominator, 2 is only for the first term. I not simplify, not do anything. So 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to 11. This type of questions, first constant values will transpose to right hand side. Okay. So first 3x by 2 constant is 3 by 2 also constant is but 3 by 2 is combined with the variable. So it is a multiplied 3 by 2 is multiplied with x. But 5 is a alone is there. So send first 5 to other side. 3x by 2 is equal to 11 minus 5. 5 sign is minus. Send this side plus 5. Now 3x by 2 is equal to 11 plus 5 is 16. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Now 3 by 2 transpose to other side. Here into value, when you transpose a fraction value to other side, it reciprocal. Suppose a by b is there. When you are transposing, when you take to a by b this side, then it becomes as a b by a. Then it becomes as a b by a. So in the same way, 3x by 2 x is except x remaining all try to transpose to other side. X is equal to 16 into 2 by 3 because by no this is 3 by 2 becomes as a 2 by 3 because into value here sir into value denominator no sir by no sir actually here 3 by 2 into x is equal to 16 x is equal to 16 by 3 by 2 actually it is. Okay, when you reciprocal it is here in denominator again fraction is there. If you simplify 16 into 2 by 3 will get. So instead of doing all this one direct I wrote. Okay, 3 by 2 x is equal to 16. 3 by 2 when you transpose to other side 16 into 3 by 2 becomes as a 2 by 3. X is equal equal to 16 twos are 32 by 3. X is equal to 16 twos are 32 by 3. Now verify the result. Verification. What is verification here? 3x by 2 is minus 5 is equal to 11. Now 3x by 2 means 3 by 2 into x. X means 32 by 3. Minus 5 is equal to 11. This 3 cancel. 2 ones are 2 16s are. Then it becomes as a 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 5 is 11 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. Once again check this one. 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to 11. This minus 5 is a constant value. Transfer this minus 5 first other side. 3x by 2 is equal to 11. Minus 5 becomes as a plus 5. Now 3x by 2 is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 into 3 by 2 becomes as a 2 by 3. Then x is equal to 16 2s are 32 by 3. Verification is 3x by 2 minus 5 is equal to 11. Now substitute x value here. What is that x value? 32 by 3. 3 by 2 into 32 by 3 minus 5 is equal to 11. 3 cancel. 2 ones are 2 16. That's minus 5 as it is equal to 11. 16 minus 5 is 11 and is equal to 11. Okay. Now one more question. 2x minus 4 by 7 is equal to 5. This is different question. This and this are different. Here 7 denominator is for whole. Here 2 denominator only for first term. Here the 7 is denominator to the whole of the 2 terms in numerator. Whatever you have numerator 2x minus 5 binomial denominator is. It is 7 is the common denominator for these two. Whereas here in this question 2 is the denominator only for the first term. When like this common denominator is there, first denominator will transpose to other side. First what will do? Will transpose the denominator to other side. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 5. Denominator, because it is a common denominator, set other side. Denominator by no, it becomes as an into. When you transpose this 7 this side, into it is. Why directly you transpose? Why not here? Here you did not transpose 2 first. First you transpose 5 and then 2 you send. Okay, and then after that you simplify this part. But whereas here, first you are sending 7 because 7 is common denominator. So at that we can transpose. Now 2x minus 4 is equal to 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Now 4 send this side. Now minus 4 send this side. 2x is equal to 35 plus 4. Now 2x is equal to 39. X is equal to 39 by 2. X is equal to 39 by 2. Check that one answer. 2x minus 4 whole by 7 is equal to 5. Since this denominator is no other value is there which is not the denominator, it's 7. So this 7 is common denominator. So common denominator first we transpose to other side. So 5 is equal to 5 into this 7 by no into 7. 2x minus 4 is equal to 35. 2x is equal to 35 plus 4. 2x is equal to 39. X is equal to 39 by 2. Now verification. What is verification here? So first substitute here. 2x minus 4 whole by 7 is equal to 5. Substitute this 39 by 2 in the place of x here. What do you get here? 2 into 39 by 2 minus 4 whole by 7 is equal to 5. Either you can substitute in the given question or you can substitute here also. No issue. Sir, I am confusing sir with the denominator. After transposing the denominator, you got another simple equation or simple format you got. There also you can substitute. This 2 cancel. 39 minus 4 by 7 is equal to 5. Now 39 minus 4 is 35 by 5 is equal to 5. Sorry, by 7 it is. 7 1 is 7 5 is 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Here 2x minus 4 by 7 is equal to 5. X means 39 by 2. 39 by 2 minus 4. That is 2 to cancel. 39 minus 4 by 7 is equal to 5. 39 minus 4 is 35 by 7 is equal to 5. 7 1 7 5. That's 5 is equal to 5. Please note down. Fifth question. 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 11. Here another model. 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 11. First 5 is there outside and inside the bracket x minus 7 binomial is here. Means 5 is common to these are all. First take this 5 to inside. Means 5 into x 5x plus into minus minus 5 7 35 is equal to 11. 5 7 35 is equal to 11. Now 5x is equal to 11 plus 35. 5x is equal to 11 plus 35. Now 5x is equal to 46. Now 11 plus 35 is 46 now. X is equal to 46 by 5. I don't get exact cancellation, so that is the answer for that. Now verification is 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 11. Either you can substitute in the given question or you can substitute here also. Now 5 into 46 by 5 minus 7 is equal to 11. 5 into first inside the bracket we have to simplify as per the BOD-MAS rule. BOD-MAS is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So 46 minus 5 7 35 is equal to 11. 5 into this 5 we can cancel now. After taking the common denominator you can cancel. Without taking common denominator you can't cancel here, because here some more term is there that you need to simplify. Now 46 minus 35 is 11 is equal to 11. Is equal to 2x 2 into x minus 11 minus x 2 into 11 minus x 16 2 into 11 minus x, same process. Now this side is there. So 16 is equal to, generally what I said in transfer while simplification to linear simple equations, I said variable should be left side. So I am interchanging these two places here. When you interchange, no signs will change, nothing will happen. Okay? Here x is sitting and here y is sitting. These are the seating places. Because of inconvenience, what we will do? We will interchange their seatings. Y will sit here and x will sit here. So in a classroom also, what we'll do here, if anybody is a height, then if any child complain that is, sir, I can't see the board, then what we'll do? We'll interchange their places. By interchanging places, class will not disturb and the subject also will not change. So here also, so interchange is 2 into 11 minus x is equal to 16. 2 into 11 minus x is equal to 16. Now 2 into 11 is 22. Plus into minus minus 2x is equal to 16. Now constant value transpose first. Here this is constant. Minus 2x is equal to 16 minus 22. 16 minus 22. Now minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Actually we have to multiply minus 1 on both sides, because here x is variable is negative, no? Variable is negative. To make it positive, we multiply it to minus 1. But here both sides minus is there. if I multiply minus 1 on both sides, or if I cancel this minus also, no issue. Actually cancellation will not be. Minus minus we can't cancel. Here I did the procedure that I multiplied minus 1 on both sides. Meaning is, here we multiplied minus 1 on both sides. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into 6, 6. So instead of doing all these things, both sides minus is there, you can cancel it. Okay, that is only convenient purpose we are writing. Actually that is not the exact process. What is your process? We need to multiply minus 1 on both sides. That is the process. Process is minus 1 to be multiplied. Since convenient purpose for faster calculation, minus minus I eliminated. That's it. Now 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 3s. X is equal to 3. Now verification. What is verification here? 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus x. Substitute here. 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus x value is 3. 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 16 is equal to 16. Okay. Here only thing is I did a direct here, minus minus I cancelled. Actually minus minus will not cancel. Procedure is minus 1 to be multiplied on both sides. Okay. So please write down. Once I am repeating here, 6th question. 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus x. First I interchanged their places. 2 into 11 minus x is equal to 16. 2 into 11 is 22. 2 into minus x is minus 2x is equal to 16. First to transpose the constant value. Minus 2x is equal to 16. 22 send this side. Since 22 is positive, other side it becomes as a minus 22. Now minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 3s are. Now verification, substitute the values. 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus x. 16 is equal to 2 into 11 minus 3. 16 is equal to 2 into 8, 16. 16 is equal to 16. Hence proved. Okay? Understood? So these are the few applications on the simple equations. And next video we will do some more applications on the simple equations. Thank you.